If you want to build a great life in your 20s, click off right now. This video is only for people committed to wasting their prime years properly, not with luck, but with a repeatable framework that guarantees wasted years, missed chances, and low-grade existential panic by 29. Good news, I've optimized the process. Step 1. Turn every interest into a personality, then drop it. Your 20s are for rebranding. Gym phase, startup phase, minimalist phase, the 5 a.m. productivity monk phase. Announce each one publicly. Buy the gear, post about it, then quit 2 weeks later and reinvent yourself again. This prevents mastery, consistency, and long-term identity, the 3 biggest threats to a ruined decade. Step 2. Confuse exposure with experience. Watch documentaries about travel. Watch podcasts about business. Watch interviews about art. Feel like you've lived it. Your brain doesn't know the difference between doing and observing, which is perfect. You get the dopamine of progress without the inconvenience of effort. Eventually, you'll have opinions on everything and real experience in nothing. A beautiful balance. Step 3. Optimize your image instead of your actual life. Spend more time curating how your life looks than how it actually feels. Take photos of productivity instead of being productive. Stage moments instead of living them. If your life collapses but your feed looks clean, you're winning. Remember, perception ages better than reality. Step 4. Avoid being bad at anything in public. Never try hobbies where you'll look stupid. Never ask questions that expose ignorance. Never be a beginner where people can see you. Protect your ego like it's a museum artifact. You'll stay safe, respectable, and permanently average. Step 5. Build a life designed to impress people you don't even like. Choose careers for status, hobbies for approval, opinions for applause. Let strangers vote on your decisions. This guarantees a deeply successful looking life that feels strangely empty, which is the premium package of wasting your 20s. And that's it. The complete, guaranteed guide to ruining your 20s in the most efficient way possible. And if any part of this guide felt familiar and relatable, relax. It means you're following the program perfectly.